Hey everyone, welcome to M Time. Today we're going to be looking at the Lee Classic loading system. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Lee Classic loading system. Everything you need to make grain ammunition is in the box, except for the hammer. Decapping base, neck resizing die, bullet seeder, and a rod to make it all work. We're going to start out here with a 308 case. The first thing that we're going to do is put it on the decapping base. We're going to take the decapping pin. We're going to drop that into the case, right down into the primer hole. One quick tap knocks the old primer free from the case. We're going to take and put the case into the resizing die, neck first. We're going to use a hammer to drive it flush with the neck. Going to take the rod that's included in the kit. We're going to drop it down. We're just going to knock the case loose so that it's not bound up inside. Take a new primer. We're going to put the primer into the primer seating area. Stand the whole assembly up on top of it. Put the rod down inside. We're just going to tap it until that primer is flush with the back of the case. Now we're going to put it back on the decapping base. Stand the whole assembly on top. Use the dipper. We're going to get 1 scoop of powder. In this case I'm using Varget. We're going to pour 1 scoop of powder right down inside. Give it a little shake to make sure it all went down. 155 grain hollow point bullet goes in the top. Going to take our seating tool, set it in the top. And we're just going to drive that down until it's flush. And there you have it. 1 308 bullet, loaded, ready to go. Now we're just going to crank through one real fast just so you can see how it's done without me talking. There it is. It's just that easy. Thanks for taking the time to tune in today. Please click like and subscribe and leave me comments. I'll be sure to answer as many of them as I can.